This parcel has 25 pieces and a total of 72 carats. These are all small stones that you'll cut out of it. I'll just go through them quickly because they'll take a long time to video. You can see there's a nice little gem sitting in that one. This one may be eaten by, oh no, you'll get some stones or a stone out of the backside, I think. That's got a decent colour bar all the way around. Just take that cap off and hopefully it's clean inside. Another little knobby there. Little gem. Colour bar goes all the way around. It's going to be a small stone, but nevertheless it's got a nice colour. You can see that's got also a nice colour. Beautiful gem there. Got that gorgeous green blue 3D colour on colour. This has got gorgeous colour, but it only sits on the end like a little torch. You can make that into a fun torch or a flame or something like that. Wouldn't really cut a stone out of it. Some decent colour there too. Maybe something underneath that cap there. Beautiful crystal. Take the potch off there. Go for a nice crystal. Nice little colour bar in that one too. Another lovely little colour bar. It'll be a black opal. That one sand runs into that side of the opposite side, so in there's sand and then the colour bar goes in, so I don't know how far it will actually go in. That one's a bit of a gambly risk. Don't know if it will cut anything at all. There's a definite stone there. Nice gem there. Pretty colour. Such pretty colour. So small but pretty. So take that cap off, all that white off the top, and you've got some pretty beautiful colour underneath. Magic looking crystal going on in there. Magic. Maybe you might get your money back on just that crystal because it's going to be gorgeous. There's a phenomenal bit of colour in there sitting on black. It's going to be very small, but you can see from that side it sits up and that side. So whatever you cut out of that is going to be absolutely outrageously bright, but small, probably half a carat. Bit of moss pattern. Colour bar going through that piece. Don't know how it will face. Lucky last piece. Another nice colour bar sitting on that potch. You can see down further it's showing some nice colour. And that's it.